I'm here at the Oscar Mayer facility, ready to show you the step-by-step process of how we make our famous bacon, starting with these fresh cuts of pork belly. Welcome to Oscar Mayer. I'm going to take you step-by-step through how our bacon is made, from the raw pork belly right up to the final package.
As the doors open, the unmistakable aroma fills the air. These pristine cuts are ready for the next step.
Upon arrival, each box of pork belly is scanned to log supplier information and ensure full traceability throughout the process.
The inspector takes a precise infrared temperature reading to ensure cold chain compliance. The target temperature is 0.5 degrees Celsius.
Next, the pork belly is carefully evaluated by hand. The inspector checks firmness and fat distribution.
The pork bellies undergo rigorous inspection, ensuring only the highest quality product moves on to the curing process.
The fine condensation beads on the surface emphasize our strict cold chain control and freshness.
After trimming, the pork belly enters the laser grading station. This sophisticated system uses red lasers to
The system meticulously evaluates the pork belly against stringent standards, analyzing thickness and fat distribution in real time.
Any remaining imperfections are swiftly channeled away, leaving only the finest cuts.
The fully graded raw pork belly travels along this stainless steel conveyor toward the curing department.
Deep inside the curing hall, the pork belly moves along the conveyor system, approaching the specialized injection machines. Next, the injector head descends, ensuring the Oscar Mayer secret cure is evenly distributed throughout the meat.
The injected pork, now rich with moisture, advances from the curing machine toward the rotating tumblers for the next step. The injected pork belly now slides from the conveyor directly into the vacuum tumbler for the next phase of curing. Step 4. Tumbling and resting. The vacuum seal engages and the rotation begins, ensuring the cure is evenly absorbed.
Tumbling the bacon ensures the brine is evenly distributed throughout the cut.
Inside the tumbler, the pork belly is evenly coated with our signature curing liquid.
The vacuum pressure gauge must hold steady at the programmed level. This ensures the deep absorption of the curing solution into the bacon.
As the timer hits 0, the extended tumbling process is complete, ensuring the perfect flavor absorption before the next step. Once the timer completes, the tumbler gently stops and the vacuum is gradually released. Next, the bacon enters the resting chamber, where precise temperatures ensure the perfect cure. The resting phase is critical. Here, precise temperature and humidity ensure proper curing stabilization.
Secured on these stainless steel racks, the bacon undergoes its crucial equalization period in our climate-controlled environment.
The resting phase is critical. Here, the cure is fully absorbed, ensuring the firm texture and uniform color you see across the belly.
The cured pork belly now moves into the smokehouse, beginning the vital smoking process.
The perfectly spaced slabs are rolled into our smokehouse, where they will acquire that deep, smoky flavor over the next several hours.
Once the racks are precisely aligned beneath the smoke ducts, heavy locking pins secure them for the curing process.
The smoking cycle begins. Hardwood smoke flows from the vents, slowly curing the bacon and adding that perfect smoky flavor.
The cured pork belly enters the smokehouse, where thick hickory smoke begins to circulate. As the smoke wraps around the
As the temperature stabilizes, the cured pink begins its transition to a rich, reddish golden tone. Smoke.
Under precisely controlled heat and humidity, the fat begins to render, softening the layers before the smoking process begins.
As you can see, the ventilation ensures the smoke consistently cures the meat to perfection.
After hours in the smokehouse, the doors open, revealing the perfectly smoked Oscar Mayer bacon.
The racks slowly exit the smokehouse, the curing process complete, resulting in this beautiful, glossy finish.
The smoked pork belly now enters the blast chilling tunnel, beginning the rapid cooling process.
As the cold air rushes over the surface, the thermal shock instantly firms the meat.
After a rapid cool-down, the racks of Oscar Mayer bacon emerge, surrounded by a plume of cold, sterile air.
Exiting the chiller, the perfectly firm racks are now transported toward the high-speed slicing hall for the next step in the process. This is the slicing department, a testament to precision. The post-chilling racks arrive here before being transferred to our high-speed slicers.
The bacon is rapidly sliced by high-speed machinery, ensuring uniform thickness and that perfect layered texture you expect.
The system confirms the slice profile, engaging the high-speed output for our thick-cut bacon.
After stacking, each portion is transferred to a digital scale for precise weight verification.
To maintain quality control, any off-weight portions are identified and gently removed from the main line by a
The sorting process complete, the approved bacon portions now advance smoothly toward the packaging section, where the uniform stacks are prepared for sealing.
The trays then proceed into the vacuum sealing chamber. As the chamber closes over the trays, the air is removed, ensuring freshness.
The heated sealing bars press down, creating an airtight vacuum seal around the bacon before it moves on to cooling.
High-speed inkjet printers precisely apply the date codes and batch numbers to the underside of each Oscar Mayer package.
The sealed packages now travel down the line for visual inspection and safety scanning.
The packages now move into the crucial metal detection phase, ensuring the highest quality and safety standards.
Here, every pack is scanned by advanced metal detection and X-ray systems to ensure perfect safety.
After curing, the bacon is rapidly transported to our massive cold storage facility to ensure perfect temperature control.
Manifest check on the Kroger load. Confirm all units accounted for. And with the rising sun, the freshly cured Oscar Mayer bacon begins its journey from our facility straight to retail.
Look for the signature blue package, fresh in the refrigerated aisle of your local grocery store.
Once you've purchased your Oscar Mayer bacon, it's time to prepare it. Carefully peel back the plastic seal and place the fresh slices onto a hot skillet. The sizzle intensifies as the edges curl and the steam rises, ensuring every slice is cooked to perfection.
We take pride in every slice of Oscar Mayer, ensuring that signature crispness every time.